All right, guys. Today is November the 8th, 2018. Wednesday. Daily recap for MIC. Today was pretty, dude, after a couple of days of the market doing nothing, absolutely nothing for small caps, today just stuff just went crazy. So let's take a look at the first one, actually. This one's still in play. NVLN. Don't buy it. Don't buy it. So let me take a look at what I did for NVLN. NVLN. So I didn't do much, man. What I did was I just waited for my opportunities to do the long. I piked this like no one business, dude. Because the zombie hour came, I was like, I don't know why the fuck I sold it, seriously, to be honest. I really don't know. I just got rid of it for some strange reason. This is probably the worst trade today. Money doesn't mean shit. It's just, dude, I left so much money on the table. So my long game, guys, is still shitty. My entries are perfect, though. My entries are pretty damn good. It's just the problem is, dude, I seen so many of these pigs die this week. Fox L, MTSL. I mean, they just like fell off the cliff, dude. I mean, if you take a look at these charts, let me bring them up. Oh shit, this thing bounced. Let me see. I've covered most of it, I hope. So if you take a look at some of these stocks that have been, dude, it's just falling off a cliff. So, I mean, so these are the things that's very difficult for me to make me hold these pigs that's been up like hundreds of %, right? And so I take the easy money, guys. Those guys that are smarter can hold it. I was preparing for the zombie so I could do the daily recap. Actually went to the bathroom. So, I mean, I could use whatever excuse I want. Bad internet. I had bad internet. I had bad hair day, guys. So I had to dump it. Bad hair day. You know, it's just stuff just falling off a cliff around 11:30, right? So now's the time. So it's kind of like, I mean, you never know nowadays, man. This shit just fucking tanks for no reason. People can claim they can have a reason, but dude, I mean, this is just, how the fuck do you predict this move at fucking 11:30, dude? Yesterday, you know what I'm saying? So it makes me kind of worry, like, you know, the trend, will it keep the same pattern of tanking or not, you know? So I piked the fuck out of it, but let me teach you how to do the entry, and then you're going to be a better trader than me once you learn the entry, okay? I'm very good at the entry because when I started trading, that's all I focused on, entry. And so I know my personality. So my personality is a control freak. I mean, it's very hard for me to hold swings and just not knowing shit. So if I held a swing overnight, I'd be on my fucking phone until 8 p.m. until the ECNs like die. And I couldn't sleep overnight. I would have to wake up like at 2 a.m. like Alex does, right? So I just know my personality, guys. And I know that, dude, it just does not, you know, I'm not comfortable at it. So knowing that, I built my trading strategy around my own personality, my own deficiencies, right? Not everybody's going to be perfect, dude. Not everybody's going to be the master mathematical guru that's going to come up with like these crazy ass fucking Fibonacci lines and just all these crazy indicators, right? I mean, so you have to figure out what works for you, for your personality, guys. And so that's why I always say, you know, you need to make trading personal to you. I can show you a lot of things, but you cannot copy what I do because you are not me. You may be a little slower at clicking buttons than I do. You know, I grew up a very lonely teenager, so I'm very good with my hands. I'm very quick with the wrist action and the finger action, right? So you may be more sociable with a lot of female friends growing up, so you may be a little slower to react than I do. So I mean, so like I said, man, it all depends on you, right? So now you guys understand, man. It's